Good morning, traders. You can choose to have this kind of return just by buying and holding stocks, or you can choose to speculate. And by speculate, I really just mean day trading. But you need a strategy, a consistent strategy that works. Forget everything you've learned on the internet. Today's video is going to simplify trading for you. Alright, by the end of this video, we're actually going to go through a live trading session as well, based on what you learn. That's how you know Zeb Monopoly is the only channel on the internet worthy of listening to. That's if you want to win, of course. Otherwise, good luck. In a sea of failed strategies and trading tutorials, here is the video that's going to make you consistent. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let's agree on a couple of things. If you're looking for consistency, you're going to follow this strategy for stocks. If you're looking for home runs, you're going to do it via spot. Okay, now you've seen on this channel I'm also trading certain stocks and certain trades, and these are my home run trades. By the way, what you just seen a glimpse of results, that's just 2026, by the way, earlier in the intro. Let's work, guys. Here's a tutorial. It will have its use one day when you exit your long-term positions. So here we go. Let's work, guys. Smashy, smashy. Don't skip this video. Before we begin with today's lesson, I want you to know one thing. Day trading is a huge industry, but not for you, but everybody else involved. The brokers, the people introducing you to day trading, everybody benefits except you. Today, I'm going to help you achieve the consistent way of day trade. Guys, there's one consistent way, and that's the one trade a day strategy that I've taught for years, but then as market shifts, people get greedy, and that's when they get excessive. And that brings me to my second point. What is churning? Churning, between the 1930s and the 1970s, the US outlawed brokers from excessively trading clients' accounts, and brokers would do that to generate commission. So because it was outlawed, here we go, 2026, the client herself is doing it single-handedly because they believe that the more they trade, the more money they make, and it's been made so easy and accessible for them to trade. So the brokers you use, the people you follow that show you how easy it is to make money, well, they're all in it on this idea of churning. Back in the day, it was the broker doing it with your capital. Now it's you doing it because you believe that the industry is created for you. It's not. Everybody wins except you. Look at you, poor little thing. Anyways, that's what churning is, and that's what day trading is. It's churning. You do it single-handedly. And of course, you know the outcome. Fail, fail, fail. Every single time. Okay, guys, so there's a checklist that I follow every single day before market open. First thing is find market direction. You need to know where the market is heading on that day. Second thing is pick your stock with momentum. That's easy. There's many sectors today that have a lot of volatility. Bitcoin stocks, crypto stocks, for example, have unlimited volatility. So you know exactly where to focus daily. Find support and resistance. That's it. Master one thing. Don't try to be a clever boy and have all these stocks lined up, yet you don't know which one to trade. Focus on one sector. So I can solve the first one for you. Find market direction. You can join us here, guys, on the inside. I give you market direction daily and also weekly. Guys, pay the premium or else you're going to pay it in other ways, whether via losses or via churning, via following the wrong people. Okay, so let's begin with our trading session. There is our Mara stock, and basically it opened up here. It opened up looking for that support level. Let's find support, and there it is. It looks like this is our support, liquidity here. Yep. So 1135, that's our support area. From this level, or here 1137, and you can see how the stock is trying to hit that level, 1141. You know, it's only 3-cent difference for me, so I can open that position in about a minute. So let's look to open it, and let's figure out how much shares. We'll just do 4,000 today, and entry confirmed, 4,000 shares open. The pattern that's going to play out is probably a V-shape, U-shape pattern. But what I just did, guys, when I found support or resistance, I just looked for the candle that I guess support is for most of these stocks, especially given that this retracement here from a huge order block made it simple. So again, support and resistance is easy, guys. In a market that's only, shooting up, or the pressure is upwards, making such trades is simple, because even if you mess it up, the overall market is actually going up, right? So as long as you figure out where the overall market is going, then your trade is easy. So if this was dropping and I go long or buy on this trade will be red, right? Because the selling pressure is faster than the buying pressure. So anyways, we turned green now for a bit, and you can see how we're down 170 now. Anyways, I'm going to speed this forward, guys. When the time comes, we will close it by, I think we'll close like 20 cents, 30 cents on the dollar here, just because of volatility. This is a volatile stock, the most active stock out there. Okay, let's speed this forward. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so we're almost at 500 US dollars here. Exactly what I said would happen, and there's the 500. Boom, 512 secured. Guys, this trade is simple. I told you exactly what we're gonna do. As long as you find the market direction, the trade will follow. Especially because, we can get into short interest and all of that, and volatility in the market direction today where it's currently. But guys, it's simple. Identify patterns, find support or resistance, one trade a day, repeat every single day. And if you watch the rest of my videos similar to this on this channel, it's the same thing. I'm literally a broken record. Guys, if you want consistency, do it this way. Now, of course, when trading, guys, with stocks, I know you need capital. It's not really entry level kind of capital, where this trade probably is around 30,000 capital, right? I had 30,000 and, using leverage here. So we opened 4,000 shares. So of course that's 40,000. But if I was using 1 to 4 leverage, all I need is 10,000 US dollars for this trade. But entry level trading, like $1,000 starting capital, anybody can do this, guys. But remember what I said in the first point. Churning. You don't want to be churning, guys. You don't want to just be making and then blowing up, making and blowing up. That's amateur hour. That's what kids do these days on the internet. No wonder there's a 97% failure rate. You want to win and you want a way out. This is it, guys. Follow what I just showed you. Repeat. It's simple. It sounds easy. It sounds simple. It sounds like, a kid can do this. That's because it is simple. It's just as it starts to get slow and you feel like I should be doing more or larger or take extra risk, that's when you start to fail and divert from the system. This is a system I've built for you guys. I want everybody following me if they're gonna day trade, just to follow this style of trading and leave your long-term positions on the side and just do this. Okay? It's time to stop being a failed trader, don't you think? Right, guys, if you enjoyed this, if you learned something, smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new. Drop a comment, let me know you made it this far. See you guys next time as always. Bye.